Xfinity Error XRE 0309 indicates a service or signal issue disrupting the connection between Xfinity's servers and your device, commonly an X1 cable box or Xfinity Flex. The most frequent cause is signal degradation, often due to weak signals, device issues like firmware glitches or overheating, temporary service outages, or connectivity problems such as loose cables. The primary fix is a hard reset. Unplug your cable box for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary cache issues and reestablishes the signal. In 90% of cases, this resolves the error. If restarting your cable box doesn't resolve the XRE 03290 error, start by checking all cable connections for looseness or damage. Next, use the Xfinity app's Fix-It tool for automated diagnostics and potential software updates. Ensure your cable box has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating, which can cause errors. For persistent issues, switch to an Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for more stable connectivity. If the problem continues, contact Xfinity support for network issue identification or equipment replacement. To prevent future errors, use surge protectors for your equipment. Avoid overloading circuits by not plugging too many devices into one outlet. Keep your equipment in a cool environment and replace modems older than 5 years. Xfinity's AI support chat can also help speed up resolutions.